And India is sharpening its global AI ambitions with the Impact AI Summit, which begins today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed world leaders, saying that the AI Summit will enrich global discourse and that the outcomes of the summit will shape India's future. Top global AI leaders like Bill Gates, OpenAI's Sam Altman, are among those attending the event in the national capital. In the Union Budget 2026, the government had announced major incentives to back that vision, including a tax holiday for cloud AI and data center infrastructure to promote long-term investment.
Well, India is all set to host the AI Impact Summit 2026 in the national capital at Bharat Mandapam, from where we are reporting right now. NDTV will be showing you the closest glimpse of each and every pavilion that will be highlighting that how India's digital era is going to get a major boost. Meanwhile, the summit is underway. Now, this entire inauguration of the summit is going to take place at 6 p.m. today, which will be inaugurated by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Important to note that this year, the theme of the AI Impact Summit 2026 is People, Planet and Progress. Apart from that, the focus is also on the 7 chakras. What are these 7 chakras? AI for economic development and social good, human capital, inclusion for social empowerment, safe and trusted AI, science, resilience, innovation and efficiency, democratizing AI resources. So these are all the 7 chakras which will be in focus apart from the theme of people, peace and planet. Here is the pavilion of Geo. There's the pavilion of HCL, and on my left hand side, if we keep on walking, Rakesh ji, there's also the pavilion of Google. Also, the focus is on affordability. The focus is also on how the affordability is deliberate, and that could be game changing. What we also got to know through the experts who are participating in this entire summit is also that for US companies, competition from such local models may further delay profitability from AI enterprises in India. So these are all the details. In fact, what the experts were telling, and these are all the, what we should say, the pavilions of Google, of Tata, of Jio that are showcasing their strength, and in fact are also highlighting about how India has a vision of 2047 Viksit Bharat, in which Digital India is going to play a very, very important role. With Vijay Rakesh Singh, this is the HD for NDTV from Delhi.